What, they had like rods and stuff in there?
No, they were just like decorations of like metal. There's an entrance down there.
I wonder how you'd even get down there. Oh, there's a staircase here, but it's closed.
Where?
Right over there. Gonna walk down there?
No, this way.
Okay. Tourist information. It almost feels like you're gonna fall down. You're better than Google Maps. That's amazing.
Devono montare la moquette giù.